One summer, an ant worked hard every day to gather food and store it safely for the winter.
You work too hard. Relax.
The grasshopper spent all summer playing and singing instead of preparing. La la la, no worries today.
But when winter came, the grasshopper was cold and hungry, while the ant stayed cozy in his home with...
Moral of the story: always plan ahead and be prepared. Life won't always be easy, so take care of your needs while you can.
I've learned my lesson.
I've created these story videos using VEO 3 completely for free. Yes, I'll also show you how you can get VEO 3 for free for 15 months. And if you're just starting YouTube and want to earn from your very first video, you can even get a pre-monetized account right now. So, let's get started. For the story, you have 3 options. You can ask ChatGPT to write a story for you. You can write one yourself, or you can find one online. For this tutorial, we'll use this short story. It's easy to explain step by step. Next, we need prompts. Open ChatGPT, paste your story, and ask it to give you a complete character appearance description in paragraph form. This is very important to keep the characters consistent throughout the video. Then, paste the same story again and use the detailed prompt that I've shared in the description. This prompt is designed specially for VEO 3, including audio generation. Now you have the full prompts for your story. Copy the moral of the story and paste it separately to get a clear moral prompt too. Now let me tell you how you can get VEO 3 for free. First, open the Chrome browser. If you're living in the United States, you're good to go. If not, you'll need to connect to a VPN. Click the 3 dots in the top right corner, go to Extensions, then click Open Chrome Web Store. Now, search for Urban VPN. It's a free VPN that connects you to a US proxy. Click Add to Chrome, then pin it to the extensions bar. Click its logo, agree to the terms, and connect it. Make sure it says Connected to the United States. Now, go to Google and search VEO 3 Flow. Open the link to the DeepMind website. Click Try in Gemini. Wait a few seconds, it will automatically redirect you to the subscription page for Google AI Pro. Scroll down and click on Free for Students. As you can see, Google is officially offering this plan free to university students for 15 months. At the bottom, click Verify Student Status. Now we need a school-affiliated email. To get one, open a new tab and search Temporary Education Email. Open any website from the results and copy a temporary email. Paste it into the Google form and hit Verify. Google will send a verification code to that email. Go back to the temp mail site, open the inbox, and you'll see the code. Copy it, return to Google, paste the code, and click Submit. Now you're eligible for Google AI Pro. If it doesn't work, go back and try another temp mail website. Click Continue, and you'll be redirected to the payment page. Don't worry, Google won't charge anything for the first 15 months. Now add your debit card details. You'll also need a US zip code. Just search random US zip code and copy any one from the results. Paste it into the form. You'll see that it says you'll be charged on September 13th, 2026, that's after 15 months. If you don't want to be charged, make sure to cancel before this date. Google will even send you a reminder 7 days before. Click Subscribe. Your card should have at least $1 on it. Google might charge $1 temporarily for verification, but it will refund it in a few minutes. Once the subscription is active, go back to VEO and click Try and Flow. Log in with your Google account. You'll see the Pro plan is now active, and you've received 1,000 AI credits. You'll get 1,000 new credits every month. Start a new project. Switch from VEO 2 to VEO 3. If you choose VEO 3 Fast, it will cost 20 credits per generation. If you choose VEO 3 Quality, it will cost 100 credits per generation. And that's it. Now you have full access to VEO 3 in both Gemini and Flow for free. Open a new project, then copy and paste your prompt. Your video will be ready in minutes.
One summer, an ant worked hard every day to gather food and store it safely for the winter.
Click Download, select Upscaled. The upscaling is free and doesn't use any credits, but you must click Download to start saving the video. Repeat this for all your scenes. Once all the videos are ready, it's time to combine them. For editing, I'm using CapCut. Import all your clips into CapCut. Click Sort, select Time Created, and it will arrange the clips in the right order. Add all the clips to your timeline. You can add captions if you want, but it's optional. Finally, export your video and choose 30 FPS for smooth playback.
One summer, an ant worked hard every day to gather food and store it safely for the winter.
You work too hard. Relax.
His friend, the grasshopper, however, laughed.
The grasshopper spent all summer playing and singing instead of preparing.
I should have listened.
But when winter came, the grasshopper was cold and hungry.
While the ant stayed cozy in his home with more than enough food.
Moral of the story: always plan ahead and be prepared.